welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Diamond Edition Sports Crate. So this is a bi-monthly MLB license subscription box, and I get the Yankee box as evidenced by the lovely logo in the front, on the sides, and the name on the other side. So this box is about $29.99 every other month because it's bi-monthly, and that includes shipping. They have other teams, so other MLB teams, like if you're a Red Sox fan, I believe they also have like the Orioles. I think they have I don't know if they have a Mets box. I didn't look. It just never crossed my mind. No, but yeah, they have about, I think, 20 teams now. They started off with 10. I know they added some more. And they also offer a Courtside crate, which is NBA teams. So if you're into the NBA, not so much the MLB, they do have NBA boxes, so you can check those out as well. I believe the pricing is around the same, $29.99 bi-monthly. So this box, I don't remember what month it was. I believe this is the April box. And the theme was season opener because the season began. So, you know, my Yankees are playing, and I'm really excited. I'm going to a game next month, so that should be exciting. We're going to watch them against the Red Sox, and, you know, that's always thrilling. Hopefully they win. Usually, you know, I'm not going to say usually they do, but when they play at home, they tend to win because, you know, there's that whole thing of having the home field advantage. So, yeah, enough yapping away. Let's get into this box. I'm really excited. I generally like the items in this box. I'm actually wearing the t-shirt from the last box that we received, which was the spring training themed one. So we're going to open it up, see what we got. And there you go. Okay. We got some wearables. So let's see the t-shirt first. Again, great quality. I can feel it already. Okay, yep. So if I didn't know the address of Yankee Stadium, I know it now. But of course, I know where Yankee Stadium is. I've been there several times. I grew up in the Bronx. Yes, I know 161st. So yeah. There's our t-shirt. Really cool. Awesome. Definitely nice to go, you know, to wear it to the game. Super excited. The quality's great. Obviously, you know, in the team colors with the team logo. Really awesome. I like this a lot. All right. And this is obviously exclusive to Sports Crate as well. Yep. Limited edition Sports Crate t-shirt. MLB license. Next item, we got a cap. Ooh, and this is nice. It's embroidered. This is really nice. It's not fitted. It has the Velcro on the back, but I don't really like fitted caps. Can't really put fitted ones in these boxes because everyone's head is a different size and those aren't adjustable. So, you know, I have a little head because I'm a girl. But yeah, this is cool because, you know, I can make it smaller and make it fit. And then if I don't wear this, you know, my husband can definitely wear it and it'll fit him as well. Ooh, checking myself out in the viewfinder. Looks pretty good, I think. It's crushing my dew, but that's all right. I think we look good. You know, anything with the Yankees on it makes me think I look pretty stylish. I'm just saying. All right, next item. Okay, so then a little white box. It has the license sticker on it, but don't know what it is. So let's open this up. And, oh, it's a bottle opener. That's awesome. Look at that. There you go. You got a close-up view. New York Yankees Sports Crate bottle opener. Pretty cool. I like that. Does it do something? Maybe it makes noise when you open stuff. I see like a little speaker in the back. So I'm assuming maybe it makes a noise. I don't have any bottles in the house to try it, but that's cool. Looks like there's like a little dirt or stain here, but yeah, I think it makes a noise when you open things because it has a little speaker in the back. Really cool, nice item. I like that. I wish it didn't have that stain. Maybe I can clean it off though. All right, so that was cool. Bottle opener. Next up, we have a little pennant. So this is a little mini New York Yankees pennant. Again, it has the little sticker so that we know it is MLB licensed. So this is cute. This is nice decor for the house, or just to put up in, you know, if you have a man cave or a woman cave. Pretty cool. I like that. Very nice. And apparently that is it. All right. I feel like we're missing something. So the box is empty. And let's see. This is the little spoiler card. Opening day was the theme of this box. It's opening day. The long, cold off season is over, and it's time for opening day. We have everything you need to show your team pride as the season gets underway. So we have our official team hat, our stadium t-shirt, the bottle opener, and sports crate team pennant. All right, so I guess that is all the items. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like generally there's 5 items in these boxes. So I don't know. Again, $30, you know, the hat and the t-shirt probably alone are that value, you know, like a Yankee hat, you know, from officially licensed, it's by itself is like, I don't know, $20. And then a t-shirt probably around like 15. So right there, you know, you pretty much have the value of the box, plus the bottle opener could be like, I don't know, $5, $6, and then the pennant, I don't even know, $3. I'm not sure about the pricing. I always tend to overestimate just because I know how expensive Yankee items are, at least from what I've seen when they're licensed. If you get knockoff stuff, whatever, that's not a big deal. But if you're getting MLB licensed stuff or stuff at the Yankee store, especially newer things or limited edition stuff, it is more expensive. So I always add a few dollars just because of that. So the value is there. It does feel light to me. So I do like the items, but I feel like it needed something else. With these boxes as well, not only do you get the bi-monthly box, you're also every bi-monthly box, one subscriber has a chance to win a golden ticket. Obviously, you know, I didn't win the golden ticket. It would have been in the box, but that golden ticket means that you win a special experience, or, you know, with your team that you've chosen. So if I had won, maybe I would get to go, you know, on a tour of Yankee Stadium, or I might get a signed item from, you know, a team member, something like that. I'm not really sure. I haven't really seen anyone who's won these, you know, golden tickets. They do advertise them on the site when you sign up, that there is a chance with every sports crate for a person to win a golden ticket as long as they're subscribed. So I don't know. I haven't really checked or looked. I know I've never won one, and I've been with Sport Crate from the beginning when they were a monthly box. Well, actually it was monthly, but only for a season, so 5 months, which was last year, and now they switched to bi-monthly. But yeah, and then over here we did get a 20% off for zipchair.com. So this is an exclusive offer from their newest partner, Zipchair. So that's kind of cool. It has interchangeable logo panels. You can put your team logo on any chair and personalize it with a name or a number. So like your favorite player's name or number, etc. So I'm going to show that to you zoomed in. If you want to use the code, feel free. All right, there's a close-up, and you can see the promo code is CRATE20. And you can go check that out, www.zipchair.com, and you can get 20% off. Okay, so that's our opening day Sports Crate Diamond Edition. And I believe the next box, which would be the May box. No, wait. This was the April, so May, June. Calendars. June crate should be the theme of celebration, I believe. So looking forward to that. There's supposed to be a really cool exclusively designed t-shirt, you know, for the celebration theme. So that should be interesting. I do hope they kind of start including like one more item. I feel like 5 is the sweet spot, just because it felt a little light. But as I said, the hat and the t-shirt, that's the full value right there. That's definitely the $30 value. And then the other 2 items are just like gravy on top. So yeah, you like that? It's cute, right? I know. I'm just so darn cute. I can't help myself. But yeah, so thanks for joining me. If you're interested, I'm going to put all the information down below. I'm going to link the site. You can check it out yourself. I think it's worth the money if you're a fan and you like to get licensed gear for your team. You know, I think it's a great deal, and it's every other month, so it's not as overwhelming as getting something every single month. So I really like that, that it's kind of spaced out, even though you do pay a little more than like a $20 a month subscription. So this is pretty good, $30 a month, every other month, and you're getting really cool licensed sportswear and gear and, you know, figurines too in some of the boxes. Although we haven't had a figure in a while. I think they're retooling their little action figures that they've had in the boxes previously. So, like I said, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you get this box? You know, do you feel like they should throw in a 5th item just to zhuzh it up a little more? Because in my opinion, I think it needs that. Other than that, I'm happy. I love it, and you know, I can't wait to go to the game and, you know, root for my Yankees. It's been way too long. So yeah, thanks for joining me. If you like my channel, if you like my content, hit that like button, click the subscribe, and let me know you're out there. Bye bye for now.